Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a strategy that works crazy well in crypto market, and it's suitable for day trading. It includes 2 free TradingView indicators and a price action technique that aimed to find high probability trade entries. I'll show you exactly how to set up the indicators and use this strategy in this video. So make sure you stick around till the end and follow the rules I'm about to give you. All the information provided in this video is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes. I'm going to be using the Bitcoin chart on the 1-hour time frame. When you first enter the TradingView, this is what your chart is going to look like on a 1-hour time frame. Now, let's go ahead and add our first indicator to the chart. So we're going to search for Coral Trend Indicator by Lazy Bear and select this one right here. The Coral filter, aka the Coral Trend Indicator, is a widely popular tool amongst crypto traders. As the name implies, it's commonly used as a trend filter in combination with other indicators. This indicator is a linear combination of moving averages, all obtained by a triple or higher order exponential smoothing. It comes with a trend indication which is based on a normalized slope of the plot. When prices move above the filter, short positions are blocked, and vice versa. If we access the indicator settings, we can see that we've got 4 customization options. In the input section for our strategy, we're going to change the smoothing period from 21 to 25, and in a style section, let's make the indicator more visible as we can see this tool accurately identifies the trend direction. However, we're not going to be using it in a standard way. This technique is very similar to the EMA pullback method. So, for example, for a long signal to be valid, we're going to be waiting for the indicator to turn from red to green. Also, the price action needs to be moving above the indicator, and then it has to create a pullback. And once this pullback is formed, we're going to be waiting for the price action to cross and close above the green dots. By the way, the dots have to stay green during the pullback. If one of the dots changes color to red, the setup is automatically invalid, so a buy order will be placed at the close of the candlestick that broke above the green dots. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing low. The take profit target will be set at 1.5 times the risk. As we can see, only this indicator can also give us profitable trades. However, we still need to have a double confirmation for our entries, and for that we need to add the second indicator. So we're going to search for ADX and DI. This indicator will prevent us from taking low-quality trades, but bear in mind you will get less trade entries. I'm not going to change the inputs for this indicator. Let's keep them on default. However, we need to change the thickness of the line so that we can see them better. Okay, now the strategy is complete. Let's understand how to take long and short entries. Okay, so a long signal is valid only when we have the following conditions met. First, the Coral Trend Indicator is green color. Second, the price action is moving above it, and then it creates the pullback, like it's doing here. For the pullback to be valid, the price action must cross and close below the green dots. Also, at least one candlestick must be fully closed above the Coral Trend Indicator before the pullback. Once the pullback has been created, we're going to be waiting for the price action to cross and close above the green dots. Once we have that, we're going to be looking at the ADX indicator for the trade confirmation. So the green line must be above the red line, like it is here. And the blue line must be above the 20 level. And it needs to have an upward slope. If the line is pointing downwards or it's flat, we simply do not take the trade. Now we'll look at an example for a buy position. In this example, we see all our conditions are met. The price action is an uptrend. This is confirmed by the green dots of the Coral Trend Indicator. We also have a valid pullback where the price crosses and closes below the green dots. And we had candlesticks that closed above the green dots. The ADX is bullish, and the blue line is above the 20 level and it has an upward slope. So we'll enter this trade and keep our stop loss at the recent swing low, and keeping the risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5. We'll hit profit right here. Now, let's understand the short positions. First, we need to have the dots of the Coral Trend Indicator colored in red. Second, the price action must be moving below them, like it's doing here. Third, we need to have a valid pullback where the price crosses and closes above the dots, and then crosses back down. Remember, At least one candlestick must be fully closed above the dots before the pullback. Also, the coral trend must stay red all the time. During this retraction, the ADX indicator must be bearish. This means that the red line must be above the green line, and the blue line of the ADX indicator must be above the 20 level, and it needs to have an upward slope. A sell position will be placed at the end of the candlestick that closes below the coral filter. After the pullback, stop loss will be set at the recent swing high. The take profit target at 1.5 times the risk, and you can see we have a profitable trade here. Let me give you one more example. Here we see that the coral trend indicator is red. The price action fully broke below the dots. Then the market creates a pullback, and the candlestick closed above the dots up until this point, so we can consider this pullback as valid. We also see that the red line is above the green line, the blue line is above the 20 level, and it has an upward slope. So we'll enter this trade right here and keep our stop loss at the recent swing high, keeping risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5, and we'll hit profit right here. Now we'll take a look at another example for a buy position. In this example, we see all our conditions are met. The price action is an uptrend. This is confirmed by the green dots of the coral trend indicator. We also had a valid pullback where the price crosses and closes below the green dots. And we had candlesticks that closed above the green dots. The ADX is bullish, and the blue line is above the 20 level and it has an upward slope. So we'll enter this trade and keep our stop loss at the recent swing low, and keeping the risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5. We'll hit profit right here. If you also want to trade in cryptocurrency, then you can do that on the exchange Bybit. It's an easy-to-use platform on which you can open buy and sell positions. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout on which you can keep an eye on multiple prices at the same time. I put a link in the description so you can visit Bybit. They additionally have a bonus of over $4,153 that you can use to trade. I hope you have understood the rules for this strategy. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments. If you liked this strategy, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel to show support. And I'll be back with another cool strategy soon.